How to accept friend request on Fall Guys. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to accept friend request on Fall Guys. Accepting friend request on Fall Guys is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open the game, launch the Fall Guys on your platform. Access the friend menu. On the most platform, press the social or friend button. This might be a specific button on your controller, like the touchpad on PlayStation or the view button on Xbox, or an icon in the main menu. Navigate to friend request. Go to the friend request tab or section, which displays all the pending friend requests you have received. Find the pending request. Look for the friend request you want to accept. You should see a list of username with the option to accept or decline. Accept the request. Select the accept button or option next to the friend request you want to approve. Depending on your platform, you may need to confirm your action by pressing a specific button or key. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.